Hi Nathan. How are ya? What are you doing? You're 7 months old now and you're playing with your brother's lightsaber. Aren't you? Not crawling yet, are you, mate? We're getting close. Very close. Have you got a smile? Kicking those legs. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, hi. Oh, and you've had enough, have you? You cutie pie. Okay, bye-bye. A little bit more loud. Really? I wouldn't have believed that. You don't say, mate. What are you doing? You're distracted. No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch the camera. You flappy flap. Hey, you flappy flapping. That's right, that's right.